Testing out their new RayNeo X3 Pro, and these are the AR glasses. Look at that. They allow you to record, translate, and even have like a basic translation, record videos, make photos and stuff like that. And look, they actually do look like a normal glasses. Like, how cool is that? So let's try them on. Taking my glasses off, but they do come with a prescription. That is cool. And you can obviously see it right here immediately that I actually have something displayed on my glasses, and I can, check out see that? This is so cool. Easily do, recording. So I'm going to quickly leave, and I'm going to quickly do a recording using those glasses. But like, look, if I actually walk in with them, they look like a generic glasses, except that you can see the screen, right? And this is literally taking technology like totally contactless, right? Because it's in the glasses. So because it's in the glasses, like I don't have to hold anything, and that just makes it so cool. So I think this is just one of the things which are become a future soon. And yeah, having the glasses and having the camera in it, it just works. So when it comes to specification, it only weighs 76 grams with a resolution of 640 by 480. So obviously, we're not looking really at the 4K here. This is not a 4K display. It's augmented reality, so it's literally extending the reality to your needs. When it comes to the platform, it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1, and the storage here, it's 4 gig of RAM, 32 gig of storage, and the battery capacity is 245 milliampere hours, which in general, obviously, in such a small device, you cannot fit too much, especially if you look at those bezels, like, look at those sides. And you control the device by just doing this. Do you want to see it? So if you like it, just hit that like and subscribe so you can be up to date with all the new tech. And I'm definitely feeling those glasses are definitely fancy.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly, breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.